Oh, he's gone for that. Nice and tidy. That's the first boundary in this innings. And it comes off the bat of M. Vamsi. Oh, there it is. The first wicket. Done and dusted, Sudarshan. He's come back and he's come back with that firepower. The celebration tells you how important this wicket is of Ashwin Hebbar.
By the KK boys here once again. Smart line in length. Ashwin, the man in form, went to heave that over mid-wicket, completely missing that line. And isn't he elated?
Ah, he goes in for that shot. Bowling to your field. Will the fielder get it? Very well fielded. Really went through those yards. He got the distance. You spoke about momentum, and that's what we're talking about. It shifts and it swings. 2 boundaries in 2 balls now. He goes for another one. Up and over. And that's a 6. That's a GMR 6 of the match, and the first one in this innings as well.
Forcing Pramod to change his length. And what a clean strike. Both the hands going through the line. High front elbow. Brilliant head position. 10 out of 10. A typical power play.
He's not going to wait, is he? That is a powerful shot. Nicely done here. Oh, sliced that really nicely. He's playing to the field here. That will race away for another boundary. He's gone for it. That's a big one. And that could be in the stands as well. Wow. Power back hitting here from M. Vamsi.
Excellent base. Nice fast hands through that ball. And brilliant connection. Deep into the stands. You heard that sound almost in the com box.
One over from Pramod. Provided them the... Oh, there he cleaned him up. Anjan Nelu. First over, cleaned up. Vamsi Krishna, who's looking like $1 million. They seem to be struggling. Doesn't seem to have regrouped. Look at it. As Ajay has been saying, there's a little bit of noise.
Goes for the big one on the onside. That's a lovely strike. After 26 deliveries, that maximum coming. Really good strike there. Very nicely done.
Oh, that's nicely played. Up in the air, straight to the fielder, who makes no mistake. Abhinav, who is looking good, was struggling to put bat to ball in the later stages. Out. And was cleanly taken by Pramod. Comfortably taken catch. Wicket number 3 goes down for...
Yeah, tries to squeeze that. He's done a very good job timing on that one. And that'll be GSP Teja who gets the boundary. Fantastic here. At the end of 11, it's 70 for 3. Over. Goes up and over. And that should be a 6. Another GMR 6 of the match.
Once again going inside the line. But this time, he'll find the long on fielder. He was sent with a plan. But Anjana Yelu, the brilliance of this young man. He takes his 3rd wicket.
Just letting the batter go for it. He didn't move whatsoever. Stood like a statue and found the wicket. See?
In his bowling. This is the exact shot that we were talking about. This time Dheeraj getting clean connection and deposit. It deep into the mid-wicket fence.
A long time. This time, he had all the time, waits and whacks it to perfection. Definitely will qualify for the GMR 6 of the match. Cuts that GSP Teja for a boundary. Nice and tidy. Goes for it straight up. This could be a boundary, and that's a welcome boundary to Tapasvi. They're not going to wait from here on. GSP Teja goes for it this time. Long on. We'll only watch it sail. He did try. GSP Teja on the march. Another maximum, another biggie.
Tapasvi just putting it there into the slot. Bottom man coming into play. Used almost his entire body there. Just about beating long on.
Oh, he's gone for that. And that clears the distance. That's the way to finish the over.
This time on the onside, no need to run. That's a massive strike. That's a big strike. Wonderfully timed there.
Up in the air, fielder under it. Yes, makes no mistake. And Ravi Kiran was the one who made no mistake. Ran 10 yards of left and picked up a good catch.
Very impressive catch. Just shuffling across, playing on the onside. Dheeraj didn't get the elevation or the distance, but that's a very good catch. Nicely judged there by Ravi Kiran. Excellent pair of hands as well. And Sudarshan getting his second wicket in this.
That's nicely played for a boundary. Every time the half tracker doesn't play, you become very, very predictable. Oh, up in the air. Going, gone. Wonderful hitting. He comes and delivers. Very, very clear.
Very nicely put away. Very nicely this time. Fuller length. The pace was there and beautifully played as well. Has gone the distance. Exactly what he wanted. He's wasting no time. This time, will be runs here. That's going to be a boundary. It's down the leg. Not easy for Sirikar Bharat as well. He tried his best.
Nicely played. Through covers for 4. He's dealing in boundaries. Zahir Abbas. Straight aside. Nicely played. Another boundary. Boundaries are flowing from the Zahir Abbas back. He moves on to Abbas has put the pressure. Up in the air, and out of the park. It was a half tracker, dropped back and pulled. Literally exploded. His batting explosively.
Another GMR6 from his blade. Going back, using the depth of the crease, gets hold of that.
Boundary. Edged. Whether they come middle of the bat, bottom of the bat, edge of the bat, they all count. It races with a fence for 4.
So with that boundary, it's going to be a free hit as well because that was a no ball. So all happening in favor of Vijayawada. Yeah, that's another delivery. They'll get it. It's going to be a free hit.
Yeah, it's a free hit. Nicely bowled. Only a single. Oh yeah, 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. Good cricket all around. He bowled a good ball. Tried to swing it, but they turned 1 into 2.
Banging in shot this time. Pulls it. There's a man the deep in the gap as well. That's racing away. And that's going to be a boundary. That's a terrific shot there from Abbas. So what an innings he's played. He's played a cameo here.
Up in the air, up and over. For a 6. And with this 50-run partnership.
I think, once again on the onside. That's a terrific shot. And that's his 50 as well for Abbas. What a job he's done there. Another boundary, moving on to 50 now, just 7 deliveries. It's come at a very good pace for him. It's been a cameo from his blade, been absolutely a stunning knock from Zahir Abbas.
28 for 5, they were struggling. Look at that. 3 in a row. He's dealing in 6s.
2 6s. Oh, that might be a no ball as well. They're running the first one hard. And he wants to come back for the second, but they're just saying no to it. But that's a no ball. That's a no ball because of the height. Yeah, that's a no ball. So still this over hasn't ended. It's been an expensive one. 22 runs already in this over. And still 1 ball remaining.
Oh, it's up in the air. It has could not middle it. Straight to the fielder. It was no ball surely. Anyway, 195 after 20 overs.
Even 170 was looking difficult, but thanks to GSP Teja and Zahir Abbas, both of them batting really well in the end. 46 for GSP Teja, 57 of just 19 deliveries for Sheikh Zahir Abbas. It was really good. Last over yielding 25 runs, and it was...
Pramod was expressive. He set the ball rolling. 17 runs in his over. Anjane Yulu was pick of the bowler. 3 wickets for 17 of his 4. Manish bowled well. And then the Paswi, 2 overs, 42.
The first ball of this run chase. Right on the money as well. Good effort there at cover, diving there. It's really good to see the intensity so far, Paul.
This one going down the leg side. Interesting to see Yeah, probably kissed the glove on its.
That's up in the air, but in the gap. That's going to be the big one here, the maximum for KS Bharat. It's not that he wanted.
And we saw this in the first game as well. Beautiful positions being made by KS Bharat. Slightly shorter in length, making a good position. This time, it's KS Bharat show. Nice sharp bouncer, but beautiful position and pumped it deep over short fine leg.
For beautifully positioning himself, swivels a crown and very nicely timed as well. That's gone the distance from KS Bharat. That's the second six for him in this innings.
And this time, an excellent shot manufactured by the skipper. The other side, going over third man. Second six of the over. 34 without any loss. This time is the turn of Arjun Tendulkar. Maintained his position and clean strike over square leg.
As well. And on this occasion, creating a bit of impact with that lovely shot on the onside. Picking up the length very quickly. Just that half track, a lot of time as well for Arjun.
Now this time toying with the bowling. Using his feet and casually pumping it past mid-off.
Look at that. The tossed up delivery smashed over long over for a great GMR 6. He must be carrying a weight also. He's got a great man's name. Great man's son's name too.
Yeah, pick that up. Picks that again! And deposits it into the stand. Oh, wow. Impact player is making an impact already.
Look at that. It was in his arc and it went out of the park. He's waiting for it. You can't be tossing up and bowling him in his slot because he's waiting for it to hit big. Oh, that's nicely. A smash through cover for a boundary. Look at that. An expensive over.
He picks this up again on the leg side and he deposits yet another GMR 6 of the match. Super stuff here from Arjun Tendulkar in the power play.
Right of, that's nicely played. Up in the air, up in the air. No chance for the fielder. Wonderfully timed shot by Bharat.
Comes down the wicket. That is the problem. And he's been stumped here. Arjun Tendulkar on 48 of just 26. Could have gotten 2 runs to get his 50. Comes down the wicket and gives it away.
He was very impatient. Look at him. He was nowhere even close to the ball. And Lalit is a street smart bowler. He saw him coming. And that bowled bit short.
Prithvi back into the attack. Ball's in the air. Fielder coming under it. And takes a beautiful catch. That is special. Absolutely special. A blinder from Dheeraj. That's how you do it.
Absolutely. The one brings two, they say. They had a partnership of 84. First wicket went on
2
80.
overs, 13 runs only. And he's probably been welcomed with a 6. That's another GMR maximum.
Showed in the last inning he played. 96 he scored in the last match. Missed his 100 by 4. By a whisker going for a big one. But this time, he was spot on.
Yeah, and that same. What a beautiful cover drive. That is nicely done here. Oh, he's picked another one. And this looks bigger and better. Absolutely marvelous hitting from KP Rahul.
Rahul is a 6-hitting machine. The moment it is in his arc, it goes out of the park. And that is what he specializes in. Nothing wrong with the ball. First it was outside the off stump. This was on the middle stump. Smash over.
This time covering the line. But the ball goes high up in the air. Prithvi settling. Prithvi takes it. Third wicket down now for the Kakinada Kings. And it's the dangerous KP Rahul. Will have to return back to the pavilion.
Sure will be building because 3-dot delivery is going for the big one. Didn't get hold of that one. And Prithvi himself calling early and takes a very good catch as well. Good cotton bowled by him.
Trying to hoik over mid-wicket. But will only find the man at deep mid-wicket. Sumit, the fielder, settling under the ball and snapping it smartly. Fourth wicket down now.
play. Didn't get hold of that one. Went high up in the air as well. And Sumit, the fielder, is a very safe pair of hands, safe as a house. They picked up that fourth.
Hoiking it, oaring in length here, but Tapaswi depositing it deep into the stands. 8 of the over, 117 for 4. Once again, could it be the 5th wicket down? Settling under it. Another loose shot here by Lakers now. And the string of failures continuing.
That wicket. He's the wicket taker, and once again dropping his shot. Going for the big one on the onside. Didn't get hold of that one. And very nicely taken as well. Good regulation take, but they have to be... Nicely bowled. That could be tied, and the finger is up. He's got to go back. Looked really adjacent. Will it go for the review? I don't think so. He's just having a chat with his partner there. And T. Bharat, we were just mentioning about him. The second wicket for him in this
T.
over.
Bharatya. Body flowing and getting his 3rd wicket. A dangerous Srinivas of the Kings. Oh, we're just discussing off air. Could he put a slip there? Missed opportunity there. Short 3rd, couldn't stop it.
That's in the air as well. That should be taken. Is the fielder coming, approaching? Oh, full length dive, and what a catch there. What a catch. That's the skipper himself. Ashwin Hebbar, that's a beauty. That's a brilliant take. Never easy those catches there. Very nicely judged as well from Ashwin Hebbar.
Ashwin Hebbar. Tip your hat and take a bow. Excellent ground covered there. And then the athleticism.
Chief reckon, Chief. There it is, up in the air. Out of the park. Tossed up delivery. Ravi Kiran came in and smashed over. Fun. Sterling, I've played a little bit of cricket, but I've never been able to hit the sixes like that. You know, it's a modern day cricket. That's what I always say. We probably played cricket in a slow motion compared to...
Comes down. That was a juicy one. And he'll dispatch that to 6. Super stuff here. A maximum.
It was a freebie. Toss up delivery, and it's a no ball too. Oh, there are rubbing salt in his wounds. Look at him, look at him. Yes, it is a no ball. Very rightly spotted by the umpire. Look at him. It was a freebie and took full advantage of it. Ravi Kiran. They're not in this over. Oh, another one. A turning point. As far as Kakinada Kings are concerned. 25 runs of this over. After 16, 155 for 7. Kakinada Kings.
Yeah, definitely. Just getting things checked. Who's been exceptional. Has bowled 2 no balls in a row. And a no ball on a free hit you get. This is how it was dispatched.
It was a half tracker, rock back. Gone for very many. Another one. Up in the air, up in the air. Oh, well fielded. The fielding very well. Only 2 runs of this over, but still 28 runs of this over. The maximum runs I've conceded in 1 over. After 16, 158 for 7.
Now, ball in the hand, left leg kind of has kissed, I would say, the boundary line.
That's why I don't want to be a third umpire. That's a close thing. It's a boundary. 30 runs of this over. 160 for 7 after 16, Kakinada Kings.
Oh, this looks close. This looks close. It's been given. Another turning point in this game. Sumit picks a wicket and the batter has directly gone upstairs for a review.
It might be an umpire's call in the end. Even if it's kissing the off stump, it looks like it might have missed the off. See, once umpire gives you out, 9 times out of 10, you're walking all the way back. There they are. The smile. They had a prayer on their lips, although they had a smile on the face, but Kamruddin out for 5. Kakinada Kings 162 for 8. Oh, nicely played. Straight to the short square leg fielder. This is a wicket they needed. Ravi Kiran, it was a slower ball, change of pace, tried to pull, but found the fielder. Shiner concerned. Look at him straight to the fielder. Missed an opportunity. And definitely the very...
For his last and final over. Ah, that's it. The bat swings and so does the stump. All or nothing. That is a crystal clear finish. Ashwin Hebbar, KSN Raju, the entire team celebrating 2 in 2. They've done it the second time here in the GMR Andhra Premier League. They've won 2 games on the trot here, the Vijayawada Sunshiners.
And this is the last ball. He went for a egg. Where the ball should have gone, his bat went that far.
Look at how the Kakinada Kings innings turned out so far. They started off really well with KS Bharat and Arjun Tendulkar, the impact player, setting the benchmark. A little helpful run from Sahul. He came in, put a good hand.
Start for Vijayawada Sunshiners. Everybody has chipped in. Sumit, 4 overs 17, picked up a wicket. Lalit Mohana, 3 overs 32, picked up a wicket. Prithviraj was the pick of the bowlers. 4 overs 24 and 3 wickets. 2 wickets to Raju.
What a fantastic ending.
This was the match summary so far. Vijayawada Sunshiners 195 for 5 thanks to Zaid Abbas 57 and 46 for Teja. But in reply...